Hi everybody, Paul here. If you have a water softener like I do, then I want to pass along a quick tip that I learned back a while ago on how to keep your water softener working like new. Okay, so a lot of water softener dealers are not going to tell you what I'm about to tell you because they'd rather sell you a new water softener or sell you replacement resin, which does the actual cleaning. The main thing that a water softener does is remove different contaminants from the water. If you don't adequately remove things like iron and other contaminants, you'll not only have staining and deposit problems with your sinks, toilets, tubs, showers, and fixtures, but you may also have water hardness issues, making it difficult to form a lather with soap. So here's what I learned, and this is a big deal. Salt alone cannot remove all the contaminants that build up in the resin, which is the heart of any water softener. So over time, the water softener loses its cleaning efficiency and the water quality suffers. So what I do now, in addition to using salt, is I also use a special liquid cleaner on a regular basis, which restores the resin back to peak efficiency. This has made a really big difference in the quality of our water. This is the special liquid cleaner that I happen to use, which is called ResCare. I don't sell this stuff, no one asked me to do this video, and there are lots of other cleaners out there. I add 2 ounces to the water softener each time before it regenerates and cleans itself. You may use more or less depending on the product, the size of your water softener, and the type of water you have. I simply measure it out and pour it down the brine tank well before it regenerates and cleans itself. You'll probably find the best deal for water softener liquid cleaners on eBay or Amazon. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.